Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a very special feature of Pabbly Connect which is called spreadsheet formulas. So guys, spreadsheets are one of the most widely used application. So why people use spreadsheets so much? Because spreadsheets are more than just rows and columns. With formulas and spreadsheets, you can do mathematical calculations, logical operations, analysis, and many more things. So what if I tell you that you can use the same formulas that you use in spreadsheet inside your automation workflows, and you can automate your repetitive calculations that you have to do manually in spreadsheet inside your automation workflows too. Yes guys, this can happen. Let me show you how. So guys, for creating automation workflows inside Pabbly Connect like this, first of all, you need to sign up here from pabbly.com/connect. We have pasted the same link in the description. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on the sign up free button. And after that, you can log in and reach here on the dashboard. And here you can create a workflow like this, okay? And when you create a workflow, you will find the trigger and action. So with the help of these two things, we built our workflows. And here in this actions tab, let me show you a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called number formatter. So select number formatter from this choose app field, okay? And in the action event, you will find this spreadsheet formulas option, okay? So you can read here, spreadsheet formula, transform a number with a spreadsheet style formulas, okay? Right, select this option, click on connect, and here it is asking to fill the formula, okay? And you can read here, you can use any spreadsheet formula to get results. For example, this one, a roundup one, okay? And if you want to check the full formula list, suppose that you do not know the format of the formulas, you can just click here on this formula list word, and here we have this page in which we have all the formulas at your disposal, okay? And here you can see guys, when you scroll down, first we have this date section, and here we have formulas related to dates. Like this formula, you can see if you want to convert a date into this format. So by using this date formula, you can convert any date like this. In the example, you can see 8/7/2008 is converted into like this 2008 7 8 a T in between, and this kind of format. Sometimes we need to map the date in a field to perform any function automatically at a specific date and time, okay? So you can use this, and here you can see we have this days formula, and with the help of this formula you can calculate the duration between 2 days. Let me show you a demo. I'm just copying this formula format from here, okay? You can just copy it and you can paste it here in the formula field like this, okay? And let me change the dates here. So here the date says 3/15/11, okay? So let me fill here 2/15/11 and 2/1/11, okay? Right, now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So this is the upper value and this is a lower value, and we'll find out the duration between these two dates in the result, okay? So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and here you can see we got the result as 14. This means there is a difference of 14 days between these two dates, okay? So this is how it is going to give you the result. And here similarly we have hour formulas by which you can calculate the duration between the hours between two type of dates and time, you can see here. And we have minute formula also, and we have many formulas here you can use according to your need, okay? And you can check the results here, how the expected results will look like, and here are the formula formats, right? The next formula in the line is the financial formulas. So if you are into finance and if you want to calculate the rates or the amounts, you can use these formulas here. Here you can see we have this rate function. This is most widely used in finance, and here you can use this to calculate the rate of interest, okay? Right, then we have engineering section, and in the engineering section you can see we have this all these formulas, and here you can see the convert function. So you can use convert function to convert in the number from byte to bit, okay? Then we have all other formulas like this. Then we have this complex function. So we can use this complex function to convert two numbers into complex format like this. Okay. And here we have decimal to binary, decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to octadecimal. Okay, so these are engineering related things. If you're an engineer, you can use these things. Okay. And here we have logical operations. Okay, so under logical operations, we have AND function, NOT function, or an XOR. Okay, so you are familiar with these logical functions. So in AND function, whenever any value is false, it give you false. When all values are true, it will give you true. Okay. And here we have if statement or nested if statement. This is the most widely used functions, guys, that you use in spreadsheet, and you can use this if statement inside your workflow also. So here you can see if you want to fetch out conditional data. This means if something is equal to something, then provide this value, or if it is not equal to this value, then provide this value. This is how it is used. So you can just copy this from here, just copy the formula format and put it here in this formula field like this. So here you can see it is showing when John is equal to John, say hello, and when John is equal to something else, say goodbye. Okay, so right now John is equal to John here, and when I'm going to click on save and send, it will give me hello. Here you can see the result is hello. Now if this condition does not match true, let me change this name now. So now I'm putting the name as Nash, let's say. Okay, now it will show me goodbye. So here I'm clicking on save and send test request, and now you can see the result is goodbye. You can use if function in any way you want, guys. It have many possibilities, and if you are an expert in spreadsheet formulas, you know the power of nested if statement. Okay, so here's how you can use nested if formula. Then we have math functions. So under the math functions, let me show you the basic formulas like this LCM. So lowest common multiple it is called. So if you want to know which is the least common multiple between these three numbers, you can use LCM. Then we have log operation. Then we have a mode operation to find out the mode between two numbers. Then we have product operation. So if you want to multiply three numbers, you can use product operation. Here you can see. Then we have quotient operation. If you want to divide any number with any number, you can use quotient. Then we have random operation here, rand operation, and here it can give you random real numbers greater between 0 and 1. Let's use this. I'm just copying this format here. So let me just paste this a random function here. Okay, and now guys, when I'm going to click on save and send test request, it will give me any random value between 0 and 1. Okay, between 0 and 1. Let me show you. Here I am clicking on save and send test request, and here it is showing us 0.70606. Okay, this is a random value. Let me click on save and send one more time, and we got another random value which is 0.77. So to find out random values, you can use this random function, and we have another function which is random between. So it will allow you to generate random integers between a top and a bottom value of number. Okay, let me use this. I'm just copying this. Let me paste it here. So we have used this formula in many workflows. If you are watching our videos, you know that. And let me put a bottom or top value or a bottom value here as 10, and I want random integers between 10 and 50. This is a bottom value and a top value. Here I'm clicking on save and send test request. We got 22. Let me click one more time, and here we got 26. So it will give you random integers between two numbers. Okay, so similarly we have this round formula, so we can round up numbers. Okay, and we have sum formula here, and you can perform mathematical operations by these formulas. And here we have this statistical section. Okay, stat section, and here you can use statistical formulas, guys, and I'm not expert in stats, so you can know we have this permutation option. Okay, so you can use this. Then we have text formulas. Okay, like this. So here you can see we have this concatenate formula. Okay, so I have used this. Let me show you. Concatenate will give you a result like this. Here you can put a series of words or a series of numbers between commas, and it will give you a string of numbers and words in a series or in chain like this. Let me show you. Here, just copy this concatenate and paste it here like this. Okay, and here let me fill in some numbers. So 1 2 3, here we have 4 5 6, and here let me fill 7 8 9. Okay, so in the result it will give me the whole string in series 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send, and here you can see we got this string of numbers like this attached in series 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Previously it was detached here, so you can use this formula if you need this kind of data. Okay, and let's see what other things we have. So we have this Roman conversion, we have this okay, we have this uppercase and lowercase as well. So here you can see we have this lowercase function. So if you want to change words into lowercase from uppercase, you can use this, and if you want to change words from uppercase to lowercase to uppercase, you can use this upper function. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see in this upper formula I have put a word total in lowercase, and this formula will convert this total into uppercase. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see in the result, guys, we got this total word in uppercase now. Similarly, you can use this lower function also that we have here, okay, to change things in lowercase. Right, so here we are. This is the whole list of formulas we have. So guys, if you are an expert in using spreadsheet formulas in spreadsheets, you can create some magic here in this workflow, guys, and it is very useful. So you can use combinations of the formulas also. So do dig in here and try it out and automate your works right now.